So we're going to be looking at how to do keywords research with ChatGPT, and not only ChatGPT, there are still other tools you can use. Journey, that's Google Bard. Previously it was Google Bard. I sent the link in the group, like those link I sent it to the group. There is some other ones you can use for your research, but this week we are going to be looking at how to use ChatGPT for topic research. So go to this address you are seeing here, this chat.openai.com. then you enter your detail. If you enter your details, if you don't have an account yet, yes, you enter your detail. But if you already have an account, you log in. Sometimes on the process of trying to sign up, you might have issue. So far you're signing up with your email. If you encounter any issue, just go back and sign in. It is going to work. So once you enter here, for instance, we are writing on, we want to make research on business niche. So for this is what we are going to do, or make money niche, whichever niche we are working on, this is what we are going to do. So you type, okay, let me use generate. Twenty most generate 20 most researched topics on business and make money niche for blog post. Give me titles that can bring traffic to the blog, or to my, let me say, to my blog. So you click on enter. I seen 10 proven strategies to boost your e-commerce sales overnight. Okay, ultimate guide to passive income stream. Okay, make money while you sleep. Okay, affiliate marketing and big commissions online. Beginner's guide to trading. And okay, so are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? So at this point I can decide to focus only on business. Let me take the keywords again. So I can decide to focus on successful business owners. Topic on successful business owners in the world. I will have to remove the niche. So are you seeing now they have listed successful business owners for me? Are you seeing Elon Musk? Are you seeing Jeff? Are you seeing Richard? And so many, like, it's listed. It gave me a lot of topics to write on about these people. Okay, right, generating is simple to read. So the English is too much. I want to bring it down. So are you saying that? Are you saying that? If I copy any of these, let's copy any of these. Okay, let's copy Elon Musk journey and go to Google. We can easily find this on Google. Let me see. Let's web search. So what is the topic here? Elon Musk company, how he built huge company. So yeah, how did Elon? This is what people are asking. How did Elon Musk build his business? So are you saying how did Elon Musk started his business? Now let's look at those ones we that ChatGPT generated for us. Let's see one of them. Let's see if this is in the internet. I think someone wrote a book on it. Someone wrote a book on this. So someone wrote a book on that particular keyword. So that is it. So we would still go with the one ChatGPT generated for us. So I will go with this particular one.